Hello, my name is Simon from Bale, and today we are doing a very brief video on our Baler belt material. Our Baler belt material is a rubber product. It's got a rough surface on the outside, and on the rear it's got a smooth surface. The approximate thickness of the product is about 5.2 millimeters thick, and all the belts that we supply all come with a MATO fastener. MATO are the market leaders in Baler belt fasteners. We stock this material at 1.4 metres wide and our log rolls are 100 metres long. Typically Baler belts are generally 7 inches wide, so that's 178 millimetres. We supply for all makes and brands of Baler belts out there. If you need any Baler belt material, we generally can turn those around within 1 to 2 working days. If you're in a breakdown situation, please get in touch and we'll always try and do that a little bit quicker for you as well. If you'd like any more information on our Baler belts, please get in touch. You can hit one of the links below this video, or you can visit our website, which is techbelt.com, and head to our contact page there.